3 days ago, a guy showed up at my shop ready to trade in his 2019 ES350. His check engine light was on. The transmission shifted roughly. His navigation system froze constantly. The TPMS light wouldn't turn off despite perfect tire pressure. He'd been to 2 different dealerships. They quoted him over $1,800 in repairs and diagnostics. I asked him one question. When's the last time you disconnected your battery? He looked at me like I was crazy. Why would I do that? 20 minutes later, every single problem was gone. Check engine light off, transmission shifting smoothly, navigation working perfectly, TPMS light gone, total cost $0. Here's what dealerships and mechanics don't want you to know. Modern Lexus vehicles are essentially computers on wheels. And just like your laptop or smartphone, sometimes they just need a restart. Sensors glitch. Software gets confused. Memory becomes corrupted. Warning lights trigger for problems that no longer exist. And all of it can be fixed with the right reset procedures. I've been working on Lexus vehicles for 23 years, and I can tell you with absolute certainty that at least 40% of the repairs I performed were actually just resets. No parts, no labor, just knowledge. Today, I'm sharing every reset procedure that fixes common Lexus problems for free. These aren't hacks or tricks. These are legitimate manufacturer-approved procedures that every owner should know. Keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve most Lexus problems without spending a single dollar. Let's start resetting. Reset 1. The Master ECU Reset. This is the most powerful reset in your arsenal. It clears the engine control unit's memory and forces all systems to relearn from scratch. Use this reset when you have check engine lights, rough idle, transmission problems, or general performance issues that appeared suddenly. Here's the complete procedure. Turn off your Lexus completely and remove the key. Pop the hood and locate the negative battery terminal. It's marked with a minus sign. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp. Turn counterclockwise until loose. Then slide the clamp off the battery post. Make sure it doesn't touch the battery post or any metal. Now here's the critical part most people skip. Wait exactly 15 minutes. Don't rush this. Your ECU needs time to fully discharge all capacitors and clear all temporary memory. During these 15 minutes, press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds. This helps discharge any remaining electrical charge in the system faster. After 15 minutes, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Tighten it securely, but don't over-tighten or you'll crack the clamp. Start the engine and let it idle for 5 minutes without touching anything. Don't rev it. Don't turn on accessories, just let it sit. The ECU is relearning idle characteristics and sensor baselines. After idling, take a 10 to 15 minute test drive with varied conditions. Stop and go traffic, highway speeds, gentle acceleration, and moderate braking. This helps the ECU relearn your driving patterns and complete all system calibrations. This reset solves check engine lights caused by temporary sensor glitches, transmission shift problems from confused adaptive learning, rough idle from corrupted fuel trim data, and dozens of other electrical gremlins. I've seen this simple procedure fix problems that 3 different mechanics couldn't diagnose. Reset 2. The Throttle Body Relearn. Your Lexus uses a drive-by-wire throttle system. The ECU needs to know exactly where the throttle plate is at idle and at wide-open throttle. When this calibration gets corrupted, you get rough idle hesitation, or that annoying surge when you're trying to maintain steady speed. This happens after cleaning your throttle body, replacing your battery, or sometimes just randomly after years of driving. The reset is simple but must be done precisely. Make sure the engine is completely cold. This works best in the morning before you've driven anywhere. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. You should see all the dashboard lights illuminate. Wait exactly 3 seconds. Don't skip this timing, it matters. Press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for exactly 5 seconds. You're teaching the ECU where wide open throttle is. Release the pedal completely and immediately. Turn Turn the ignition off and wait 10 seconds. Now start the engine normally and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching the throttle at all. The ECU is relearning the idle position and air-fuel mixture for smooth idle. Your idle should stabilize, and any hesitation or surging should disappear immediately. If the problem persists after this reset, you likely have a genuine throttle body or sensor problem that needs diagnosis. Reset 3. The TPMS light. Fix your tire pressure is perfect. You've checked every tire twice. But that annoying TPMS light stays on, mocking you from the dashboard. Before you pay $100 for a shop to reset the system, try this. First, verify all tires are at the correct pressure listed on your door jamb sticker, not the pressure on the tire sidewall. Include the spare tire if your Lexus monitors it, many do. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Locate the TPMS reset button. In most Lexus models, it's under the steering column near the hood release, or sometimes in the glove box. Check your manual if you can't find it. Press and hold the TPMS button until the TPMS indicator light blinks 3 times, usually about 5 to 7 seconds. You'll hear a beep or see the light flash. Release the button, start the engine, and drive for 10 to 15 minutes at speeds over 25 miles per hour. The system needs time and movement to read all sensors and verify pressures. The light should turn off during or shortly after this drive. If your Lexus doesn't have a reset button, some newer models use an automatic relearn system. Just drive for 10 to 15 minutes at highway speeds and the system calibrates itself. If the light comes back on immediately, you might have a faulty TPMS sensor that needs replacement, not just a reset. Reset 4. The navigation system reboot. Your navigation freezes, shows you in the wrong location, or becomes completely unresponsive. Before you pay for a software update, try a hard reset. While the vehicle is running and the navigation screen is on, press and hold the power button on the screen for 10 full seconds. Don't release early. The screen will go completely black, then restart automatically. This forces a complete system reboot that clears cached data and temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try the nuclear option. Turn off the vehicle completely. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 2 minutes. This clears all navigation system memory. Reconnect the battery and start the vehicle. The navigation system performs a full cold boot and usually works perfectly afterward. You might need to re-enter some saved destination, but all your settings should remain intact. Reset 5. The transmission relearn. Your transmission shifts roughly or hunts for gears after battery replacement or seems confused about when to shift. The transmission control module has adaptive learning that adjusts shift points based on your driving style. When the battery disconnects, this learning gets erased and the transmission reverts to factory default shift patterns. The fix is simple. Drive normally and let it relearn. Start with a completely cold engine and transmission, ideally in the morning. Drive for 15 to 20 minutes using varied conditions. City streets with stop and go, highway cruising, gentle hills, and both gradual and moderate acceleration. Avoid aggressive driving during this relearn period. No hard launches, no full throttle acceleration, no aggressive braking. The transmission's computer is watching how you drive and adjusting shift points, clutch pressure, and torque converter lockup to match your pattern. After about 20 minutes of normal driving, the transmission should shift smoothly and feel completely normal. If rough shifting persists, repeat the drive cycle after the vehicle sits overnight. Some Lexus models require multiple drive cycles over several days to fully relearn all shift parameters. Reset 6. The window auto up function. Your power windows suddenly lost their one-touch auto up feature. Now you have to hold the button all the way up instead of just tapping it. This happens after battery replacement, or if the window operation was interrupted, like hitting the down button while the window was going up. Each window needs to relearn its full travel range. Start with the driver's window, then do the others if needed. Roll the window all the way down using the switch. Once it's fully down, Continue holding the switch in the down position for 5 additional seconds. You're teaching the system where fully down is. Now roll the window all the way up. Once it's fully up, continue holding the switch in the up position for 5 additional seconds. Test the one-touch function by tapping the switch up briefly. The window should automatically roll all the way up. Tap it down briefly, and it should roll all the way down. Repeat for any other windows that lost the auto function. This takes 30 seconds per window and restores full convenience. Reset 7. The sunroof calibration. Your sunroof stops mid-travel, refuses to close completely, or loses its auto open-lock-close function. Before you assume the motor is dead and start shopping for $800 repair bills, try the sunroof reset. This teaches the sunroof control module where the fully open and fully closed positions are. Close the sunroof as far as it will go using the switch. Once closed, continue holding the close button for 10 additional seconds. The sunroof might click or make small adjustment movement. Now open the sunroof fully. Once it's completely open, continue holding the open button for 10 additional seconds. Close it again and hold the close button for 10 seconds after it's shut. Test the auto open and auto close functions. The sunroof should now operate smoothly through its entire range of motion. This reset fixes 80% of sunroof problems without touching any mechanical components. Reset 8. The steering angle sensor. Your VSC light, traction control warning, or stability control light appeared after getting a wheel alignment, tire rotation, or suspension work. The steering angle sensor lost its calibration and thinks your wheels aren't pointing straight even when they are. The reset is automatic, but requires specific driving. Find a large empty parking lot or straight road with no traffic. Start the engine and make sure you're on level ground. Turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right, then center it perfectly. Use the steering wheel emblem to align it precisely. Now drive straight ahead at 15 to 20 miles per hour for about 100 feet. Keep the wheel perfectly centered and the path arrow straight. The system recalibrates automatically during the straight line driving. The warning light should turn off within a few seconds to a few minutes. If the lights stay on, turn off the engine, wait 30 seconds, restart, and repeat the calibration drive. Reset 9. The Bluetooth connection. Your phone won't connect to your Lexus, keeps disconnecting, or the audio cuts in and out randomly. Start fresh with a complete pairing reset. Go into your Lexus Bluetooth setting, find your phone in the device list, and delete it completely. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and forget the Lexus connection. Now turn off Bluetooth on your phone completely. Not just disconnect, turn off your Lexus and wait 2 minutes. This allows both systems to completely shut down. Start your Lexus and enable Bluetooth in the vehicle settings. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Now pair them as if it's the first time. Follow all the pairing prompts carefully. This clears corrupted pairing data that causes connection problems. Most Bluetooth issues resolve immediately with a fresh pairing. Reset 10. The climate control recalibration. Your climate control behaves erratically. Temperatures don't match settings, airflow seems random, or the system can't maintain comfortable cabin temperature. The HVAC control module needs recalibration of its blend door actuators and temperature sensors. Turn off the climate control completely. Turn off the vehicle and open the driver's door. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 5 minutes. This clears all climate control memory and actuator positions. Reconnect the battery and close all doors. Start the vehicle. Turn the climate control to auto mode. Set the temperature to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't touch any other controls. Let the system run for 5 minutes without any adjustments. The actuators are moving through their full range and recalibrating their positions. After 5 minutes, your climate control should work normally with accurate temperature control and proper airflow distribution. The power of resets. Follow these reset procedures and you'll solve more Lexus problems than most mechanics fix in a month. Modern vehicles are complex electronic systems. Sometimes they just need a restart to clear corrupted data and relearn normal operating parameters. These resets are free. take minutes to perform, and solve real problems that would otherwise cost hundreds in diagnostic fees and repairs. Keep this video saved. The next time your Lexus develops a mysterious problem, try the appropriate reset before heading to the shop. You might save yourself $1,000 with 20 minutes of work. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.